Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'll be talking about my 6 months relaxed hair care journey, and it's officially 6 months that I have been on YouTube. So yeah, to me, if I sound a little bit different or I sound like my mouth is full of balls, honey, it's because of my Invisalign. It's making the bottom row, doing the cha-cha slide right now in my mouth. It's absolutely ridiculous and painful, might I add, but I have to press through, so just bear with me. So as I was saying previously, it's been 6 months since I have started my YouTube journey, and back in November I officially changed everything from my routine to the products that I've been using to embark on this journey of healthy relaxed hair. In 2018 I had an horrific experience with an hairstylist, and I say that term very loosely because she completely demolished my hair. Her negligence had my hair in shambles, honey, and my own ignorance as well. So I took the initiative to ask the right questions. I did my extensive research because I was adamant that I am going to get this right. It's been officially 9 months into actually changing everything in my routine, and I am so happy with my journey. I have learned a lot. There's things that I want to change and there are things that I want to work on. So let's jump right into that. So some of the things that I have done differently since November of last year is that instead of washing my hair once in every blue moon, I decided to make sure that I wash my hair every single week, no question asked. So it doesn't matter how tired I am, doesn't matter how frustrated I am, doesn't matter how much I'm not in the mood, I always wash my hair every single week. So I made the lifestyle change to take the initiative to embark on a healthy weekly wash day process. Make sure to wash your hair every single week. Another thing that I have done differently is to make sure that I do my monthly protein treatment. I just do it whenever I feel like it. I would not even go to a hairstylist to get a protein treatment. It was just whatever. So this time around, I made sure to do my protein treatment every single week. Again, no question asked, especially during my relaxer day too, which is the most important day to do your protein treatment. And since incorporating this monthly, my hair is very strong. It's stronger than it has ever been. So I am so happy that I have incorporated this into my relaxed hair care journey. Along with the protein treatment, I also made sure to do an extensive deep conditioning treatment every single week whenever I do my weekly wash day routine. I have videos on my channel too where I show my extensive weekly wash day process, so you can always check it out. For me, that is one of the most imperative steps you can ever embark on because relaxed hair needs a lot of moisture, so do not neglect that from your relaxed hair care journey. I also changed my habit of not wrapping my hair every night. I used to just put my hair into a bun and go to sleep and don't care, have no care in the world, honey. I would roll over and just my hair would be a mess. Didn't know that I was damaging my hair, so I make sure to have low maintenance. I don't really play with my hair. I don't touch it. I don't do anything. I just let it be, and I make sure to wrap my hair every single night before bed. I take the 5 minutes, a lifestyle change as well, 5 minutes out of my night, put my gloss in polish, detangle my hair and wrap it. Just 5 minutes. Sometimes it gets annoying, but if you practice every single time, it'll be nothing. It's like a lifestyle change. And also, this conversation is very debatable. I have completely got rid of moisturizing sealing because it's just not for relaxed hair. I know people debate me on that video. I have a video specifically talking about this, why I stopped that journey, okay? And you can always check it out on my channel if you so love to. But yeah, I stop it. Instead of doing moisturizing sealing, I only go in with a gloss and polish. So that's a big major change for me, and my hair is doing so well. It's not for relaxed hair, and I say this with my chest held high, honey. I ain't taking it back because I meant it. That being said, with all of those changes, I wish I knew them earlier on, but I am grateful, and I am forever grateful to my friend for giving me all of this knowledge so that I can change my routine and products, and also to be able to share with you guys. So I want to share what I have been doing differently on this journey since I've been on YouTube for 6 months. I recently started doing this, and that's incorporating gloves into my wash day routine. It may sound a little bit extra, but but sometimes my nails, because my nails are real and the way they're shaped, they're almonds, so I want to get like an overlay. Every time my nails are growing out, it'll peek out at the side. I realize that it's like nicking my hair a little bit and I don't want to cause any damage or any breakage to my hair, so instead of just going in with my bare fingers, I just put on a gloves. I mean, you can't be too careful, right? That's what I have been incorporating, because trust me, your fingernail, don't underestimate your fingernails. They can damage your hair, they can nick it, it can just rip it up. So especially when your hair is wet, your hair is weaker, so to avoid all of that, I make sure to put on gloves whenever I'm washing my hair, and it's working out for me. I love it. I absolutely love it. So some things that I want to incorporate is definitely hair vitamins. I have gotten a recommendation about hair vitamins, bought them, everything, but I have yet to fully incorporate them into my routine. Like every morning I get up, I always forget. That's why I don't even talk about it, because if I take those vitamins twice a month, trust me, that's a lot for me. So I'm slowly trying to bend my mind into taking my hair vitamins, because child, I want my hair to grow, I want my hair to flourish. So if I see any changes or if I see anything working out, I will be happy to share those vitamins with you. Also, I want to incorporate eating better. I want to take my vitamins, make sure I take my irons, eat my leafy green vegetables so that I can have healthy hair, because everything starts from the inside. I don't have a problem eating them. Instead of just eating broccolis and string beans, what about some lettuce, honey? Yeah, get some lettuce and some tomatoes. So that's what I'm doing. Another thing that I'm trying to be consistent with is actually doing my hot oil treatment. I've been really lacking. Instead of doing it once a month, I'm trying to incorporate this at least 3 times a month, because I can see the difference when I do this every time I do my wash day routine. So I need to be a little bit more consistent, not complacent, honey, when it comes to my hot oil treatment, because it works. It does numbers for your hair. My hair loves it. It loves all that moisture and that heat. So I need to fully incorporate this more into my routine. Sometimes when I don't have the time or the energy to do it, I will put some of the oils into my shampoo, but I just need to dedicate more time into doing my hot oil treatment, and that's something that I'm trying to work on. I'm trying to be more consistent with that. I have been contemplating not doing new hair care reviews, because I don't want the detriment of that to affect my hair. I don't want bad products to rip my hair apart, because I have experienced something before with Aussie, and I have a curious mind and I love to try out new things, but I feel like when it comes to your hair, I don't want to get one step closer to my goal to have myself push back 3 steps back. Like, that's depressing, and I'm not for that. So I'm skeptical if I want to embark on that. I do have a curious mind, so I'm thinking about it. I'm contemplating if I should do it. If I should do it more, I have to do my extensive research and make sure that this product is everything, because it's not like I'm trying out these products on wigs. It's my actual hair. You know, you have the positive, yeah, you have the negative, honey. So I am still thinking about it, but I have found good products though, based on my curiosity. So yeah, there's some products that I do want to change. I want a new leave-in conditioner, so I am doing my research on that. I mean, everything seems to work out, but from that Aussie experience, my mind has changed totally from my leave-in conditioner. I wonder, is the leave-in conditioner that good, or is it based on my deep conditioner? I'm not sure, because I hate the whole product line when I tested it out. So I want to probably try and research the Caracare leave-in conditioner. I think Caracare is a really great brand. I have a good experience with them so far, so I might look into that. Also, I'm still looking for another setting lotion. The Caracare is bomb, honey. It's really bomb. This specific product I cannot find anywhere for the life of me, and it's a Fantasia setting lotion. This is the setting lotion that my friend uses. She initially got like a whole like 5-year supply of it, but now it's like it disappeared from the surface of the internet. I can't find that setting lotion to save my life. That setting lotion is so bomb, like you can sense the difference when you use it. So I'm trying to find it. The Caracare setting lotion though is the closest I've ever experienced to that setting lotion. I'm trying to find it. That's why I haven't talked about it on my channel, because it's just nowhere to be found. Like, I'm trying to find this setting lotion, can't find it. You know, beauty supply store ain't got it. I may have to fly up to New York just to get it, because New York, they're bomb when it comes to these type of hair products. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for the support on my hair care journey videos. I hope that you will consider to subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video, and comment down below, and I will see see you in my next one. Bye.